Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're diving into these two streaming service platform, which is Hulu and Netflix. So let's dive into it. Hulu is great for those who like varieties, offering the next day episode of popular TV shows, a solid lineup of original, and the option to bundle with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. With Hulu plus live TV, you can also watch live sports, news, and channel, which make it a flexible option for cord cutters who still want traditional TV alongside streaming. Its pricing is also competitive, and especially for the bundle deals. While Netflix, on the other hand, however, is about movies, series, and exclusive originals. It has some of the biggest streaming libraries and remains the leaders in being watch content. While it doesn't offer a live TV bundle, it shines in consistent quality shows and global content. So if you want live programming and bundles, Hulu is the best choice. But if your focus is on endless original movies and series, Netflix is still the king. And that's it.